guys, Khalida Vids here, and today we've got for Clymen Q9 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner from Amazon. Links to this will be in the description, and let's get into it. So this is the Clymen Q9. So in this bag we have our Q9 user manual / user guide, and if you send an email to them, you can get an extra 3 months warranty, which is really great. Let's just flick through this, talking about the functions, accessories, how to use. But let's pluck it, file it to the side, and we also get this little warranty card. It has a video manual on their website. If you send an email, you can an extra 3 months warranty. We also have our, actually let's leave it like that. We got our little remote. This is to control the robotic vacuum cleaner. Let's put that to the side. And now we've got the main thing itself. Whoa. Fairly big, but also fairly slim at the same time, with everything this is packing. So here's our charging brick. And now I've got the main thing itself. Surprisingly lightweight. Yep, it's a mop bit. You see the vacuum itself. So let's quickly slide this. Yeah, it's got dual sweeper things. Look, and it works in with each other. Look, you see that's rotating when I'm rotating that. Removable wheel. It's got really good tires. Look, bouncy. I like that. Let me give you guys a closer look. See, it goes down, up, down, and up. Oh, I accidentally just opened it, but here we've got our three layer filtering system. It feels pretty high quality as it is, and our little dust box. But let's slide that back in. And yeah, it has one extra mopping mat, 2 extra sweepers, and if after you use these, they'll give you a free one anytime you need, without costing you nothing. And we've got another extra filter. Here's our charging dock, where you can leave it if you wanted to charge. It's pretty lightweight. Seems pretty durable. And we're back, and this is how it looks like in the charging dock. It can auto dock by self-charging. We've got our power switch here to turn it on and off. And also,
hello, Master. I am glad to serve you.
That feels very reassuring, Clymen Q9. But with our remote, we can turn it on, and we can turn it off and turn it on. And there's some Wi-Fi button.
Start to clean room.
It shows cleaning function. It's actually pretty quiet. And you stop before you crash into the camera. But I'll test it out. And I'll update you guys in a further video. Hopefully for review. We can increase the I think it's increase the suction and decrease the suction. All the change modes. We've got left. Yeah, we can turn it. That's actually pretty sick. Left, right, and let's see, forward, back. That's actually pretty sick. Look, you can manually control it. It seems like it's actually pretty sick. This one probably the only robotic vacuum cleaner that can do it. Okay. Say bye, Clymen. Okay, Clymen says to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate, guys, if you guys can do that. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to smash that like button. And peace.
I'm a stylish guy.